everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for January 12th through January 18th. Now there is a lot of repeater sales going on. Some of these sales do last all month long, but there's just some of them that we do all the time, which is not a bad thing, but there's some good deals and there's some okay deals. But up here in the red, you guys see save up to 30%. Now if you guys actually go to your Walgreens account, there should be a coupon that you guys can clip. It's either 10%, 20%, or 30%. I thought mine said 25%, but I think I have a 20% coupon. So basically it's just something, if you guys spend so much, it's a digital coupon that comes off. They kind of give you those when it's kind of a little bit slow, but it's up to you guys. But definitely clip that, you know, get some free stuff. Now here they got the deals of the week. They got Ajax. Now I found out that that's a regular price. The store I went to has it for that price anyways, so it's up to you guys if you need to get the Ajax. Now they do got Tresemme for $4.99. We do have a 4 off of 2 coupon in the 1.5 Retail Me Not, but then it says you get 5,000 points when you buy 3. So you guys would buy 3 of them, you pay $10.97, you get 5,000 points. It comes to $5.97 or just $1.99 a piece. It's an okay deal. I wouldn't really do it unless, you know, we can stack on stuff. Now I heard there is a beauty event that's possibly happening at the end of the week. If you guys do the beauty event, that's a great deal to do with the beauty event, because you can get extra points back. Now it looks like all soda or pop is buy 2 at $5.99 get 1 free. So you guys are basically paying $12 for 3 things of pop. That's $4 a piece. I wouldn't do it. The best deal to do it is when they have it like for 3 for $9.99 or 3 for $7.99, $8.99. That's the best way to go. Tide is $4.99. There's going to be a $2 off coupon, it looks like, for a digital. So we got that. And then I skipped around, and the General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.88. There is going to be a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. So you guys can do that. You would pay $2.76 or just $1.38 a box. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. And then they have more deals of the week on the last page. When I go look at the ad, this is a Walgreens site that does have it. But they do have the toothpaste for $2.99. And then when you guys buy 2, you get a $4 off registry reward, pretty much making them just 99 cents a piece. Now that is for the toothbrushes, toothpaste, and that's it. I would not do this deal with toothpaste, but toothbrushes, it's an okay deal. There might be some digital coupons that pop up, so look out for that. Dials, buy 1 get 1 free, and then they got Quilted and Angel Soft for $4.99, making it with a $1 coupon, making them for $3.99. They have the Dove and the Axe spray, buy 1 get 1 50% off, and then you get 3,000 points when you buy 3. It's up to you guys if you guys want to do that. And now the nice bags are on sale again. I swear this happens like every other week or every 3 weeks. But you buy 1 at $2.79, you get 2 free. You guys would pay, I think it's 93 cents a piece for them. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. I am baggied out. But, you know, some of you guys are new and need to get some of that stuff. Special K is 2 for $5. I did see a deal on Ibotta. I'm not sure if it's for those sizes, but there is a deal for Ibotta. Plus, we just got some $1 off 2 coupons. I have $1 off 2, and I also have a $1.50 off of 2. So, if you guys want Special K, that's an okay deal to do that. So, yeah. Now we're going to go and just kind of skip ahead a little bit. Valentine's Day candy. Just give you guys a heads up. Walgreens supposedly might hit 80% off on their Christmas the 12th, so Tuesday the 14th I meant. So be prepared, you know, see if you see anything good for that. But a lot of Halloween stuff or Valentine's Day stuff is going on sale. They got Puffs 4 for $5. There's a $1 off coupon, making them 4 for $4, $1 a piece. Okay deal. I usually try to get them a little bit cheaper if I can, but you know what? It is, you know, people get sick season, so there's that. Oreos, Ritz crackers, we are getting a 75-cent off of 2 coupons, so they make them a little bit cheaper. I like it when the Oreos are $1.99, which that should be happening soon because they kind of repeat themselves every once in a while. paper plates and aluminum foil, just 99 cents. I kind of like the mini plates. We use the mini plates in our microwave to cover up food so it doesn't splatter. And so for 99 cents, that is a great deal. Febreze is $3.49. Lysol is buy one, get one free. Now I did see a 50-cent off digital coupon that I just clipped to my card. If you guys want to clip that, go for it. There are some coupons for Airwick if they haven't expired by then, but they are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. Photos and all that stuff. Back pain. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of just skip through a lot of this stuff's all on sale too. They got like Theraflu for $8.99. I thought we had some coupons out there for it, and then you get $3 register reward when you guys buy 2 of them. The Dime Tap and Robitussin, I think those coupons are for 1 week only. I cannot remember, but you might be able to use them just Sunday only. And then more medicines. And now we're the personal care products. I feel like this sale has been going on for like a couple months now. They're all buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get 4,000 points when you buy 4. The Secret Clinical is still available in Ibotta if you guys want to go ahead and do that. And now we're in the makeup deal. Wet n Wild is 40% off, so there might be some really good deals if you guys are looking at that. Like makeup brushes are sometimes a really good deal. Revlon, Almay 40% off. Revlon is buy one, get one 50% off. So nothing really good with those coupons that we have. But, you know, 40% off, sometimes with those coupons we can get a pretty good deal. Lotions and all that stuff, looks like it's all buy one, get one 50% off. Personal care products, we got Colgate toothpaste. Now we just received a $1 off coupon for the toothpaste. We got a $1 off coupon for the mouthwash, which looks like it's not included. It's just toothpaste and toothbrushes. But we did get those $1 off coupons. So you guys would end up paying, was it $2.99? You guys would pay like $3.98 for 2 of them with those $1 off coupons. And then you get a $4 register reward. So they come out to be absolutely free. And then we got the Colgate Sensitive for $4.99. Those are toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash for $4.99. You guys could get use a $1 off coupon. That would make it $8, but then you guys will get a $6 register reward, so that makes it $1 a piece. Perel is buy one, get one free. We also have a $1 off digital coupon, plus there were some printable coupons not that long ago that you guys can use for that. Scootsy hair products, hair ties, bobby pins are 99 cents. Nexus and Beauty and Planet Hair Care, there's spend 20, you get 10,000 points. I see that sale all the time. It's nothing new, but it's always that sale price. And now we're on the last page of the ad. They got Charmin, Bounty, Puffs, nothing really popping out. These are 4 for $8. So I mean, for $2 for the Unstoppables and the Downy, that could be an okay deal. There might be some coupons out there. I'm not sure if there is. But yeah, that is the Walgreens ad preview. It looks like up here also, if you guys spend $25 or more, you'll get 5,000 points. So it's okay deal if you guys want to go ahead and do stuff like that. But just wanted to share with you guys next week's ad. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye-bye.